Hello friends, it's Mark here at Rickshaw with a quick look at two options for protecting your favorite EDC gear, whether it's bottle openers, multi-tools, flashlights, or knives. The first is our EDC Pocket Coozy. The Pocket Coozy is a simple plush-lined slip. You simply slip the device in, and if it's sized properly, it's nice and snug and won't slip out. To extract it, you simply pinch from the bottom and push it out, kind of like an otter pop. If you've got a lanyard and bead on there, it makes it even easier to extract it. The second option is our new plush-lined micro pouch. You've got a nice hefty YKK zipper and a plush-lined interior. This size is for knives up to 4 inches in length. There you have it. Two options for keeping your gear in factory fresh condition. Like we say at Rickshaw, you collect them, we protect them. Get on over to rickshawbags.com and check it out. Thanks for watching. Cheers.